Hello everyone, my name is Noelia and I'm here to introduce you to our line of hop droppers. Hop droppers, or also called hop dosers, will allow us to perform the dry hopping process. With this technique, we will be able to add dry hops to the fermenter, preventing oxygen from coming in. To use the hop dropper, we must have a 4-inch butterfly valve at the top of the fermenter. This valve will be connected to the container, which may be moved from one fermenter to another when necessary. After connecting the container, we'll introduce the hops that we'd like to add. Place the lid and seal it with the clamp. Once it is closed, we can start the oxygen purge. To achieve this, we inject CO2 through one valve. The other one must remain open so that oxygen is expelled. It is important to keep the outlet valve open so that the pressure does not build up inside the container. In this way, when we open the 4-inch valve, the pressure inside the fermenter will push the remaining oxygen upwards, thus aiming to prevent oxidation in the process. Once the purge is over, we'll close both the CO2 inlet and outlet valves. If we don't carry out this step, when we open the access valve to the fermenter, we will lose pressure through these ball valves. Once they are closed, we can open the lower valve so that the hops are added. Finally, remember that you can place your orders through our online shop, or you can also contact one of our sales representatives.